Hey everybody, Tim here with West DFW REI Group, giving you a quick update on the Weatherford Rehab. I think we are at the end of week 4. Made a lot of progress. Can't see it real well, but all of the cabinets have been sealed, primed, painted. The uppers are, you can see that they're an off-white color, and the bottoms are a nice gray, and that gray is a little darker than what the walls are going to be. They got everything masked off, ready to go. You can see here that the crown has been painted. They've masked it all off. For the paint, they're going to start painting ceilings on Monday. All the drywall repairs are done. Texture, I mean, it's come a long way. They got a lot of holes and stuff repaired, and foundation's done. Getting ready to do the mortar work outside and prep for paint. The doors are all being replaced, so doors are coming the first of the week. They'll all get primed and painted as well, and then they'll get put back on. So that's a quick update for you. We'll be starting the brickwork and paint outside probably this next week. Interior paint, ceilings and stuff will be Monday, Tuesday. And then we're supposed to be getting our new exterior doors. And so things are coming along nicely, and we'll give you an update soon. Take care, talk to you soon.